A quick glance at the spy video of the Lamborghini Huracan Successor. More movies and bonus pictures at the end of this video. The Lamborghini Gallardo with V10 530 horsepower was the predecessor of the Huracan. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for the August unveiling. The Lamborghini Huracan and Huracan Spyder have a V10 naturally aspirated 640 horsepower engine that propels the car from 0 to 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. After 10 years of manufacturing in many different models, the Huracan production ends in 2024 as it will be replaced by the Temerario, project name 634. Amazing Huracan Evo Spyder delivers an incredible experience with the thrill of extreme driving as the engine roars. With beautiful viola bass color that sparkles and shimmers in the sun, the Huracan effortlessly glides through the air with its perfect aerodynamic lines of a super sports car. The Lamborghini Temerario, project name 634 super sports car, will be powered with an all-new twin-turbo V8 hybrid mid-engine exclusively developed by Lamborghini. The successor to the Huracan, that is part of the high-performance electrified vehicle (HPEV) lineup, will be equipped with a hybrid system, twin-turbo V8 integrated with 3 electric motors and 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox similar to the one on the Lamborghini Revuelto, but optimized for the new Huracan Successor with a max output of over 900 horsepower. Maximum power will be 800 horsepower from 9,000 RPM. It is exceptional with max torque delivery of 730 Nm between 4,000 and 7,000 RPM. Lamborghini's new twin-turbo V8 features are similar to racing engines with 10,000 RPM max redline speed. It has sensational features reserved for a racing engine and achieved thanks to the seamless integration of the electric motor with the internal combustion engine. Electric motor is situated between the engine and the gearbox, has 300 Nm and 110 kilowatts or 150 horsepower at 3,500 RPM. Additional movies and bonus pictures at the end of this video. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for the August unveiling. There are 2 additional electric motors located on the front axle. Twin turbos are nested on the center of the engine, creating a flat plane hot V8 engine. Famous Lamborghini engine sound was integrated into the design element and design process. The all-new engine is an exclusive design from Lamborghini Sant'Agata, with the objective of delivering performance and driving excitement that tops the current Huracan. The twin-turbo V8 combines a linear power curve and torque generated by the new generation turbocharged engine similar to the one that made the Lamborghini Huracan V10 engine famous with its high power and torque. Spy video showing mountain testing of the Lamborghini Huracan Successor, the Temerario, reveals the car handling on steep slopes and sharp turns. New spy videos of the Lamborghini Huracan Successor were taken during Lamborghini test drives of the new Temerario. Despite the extensive use of camouflage material, the videos reveal details of the body panels that look like a pre-production bodywork. The overall bold design of the Huracan Successor displays the traditional Lamborghini shape while integrating design features of the flagship Revuelto. Make no mistake, this is definitely a Lamborghini. The replacement for the Lamborghini Huracan has been spied while testing outside of Lamborghini's facility in Santa Agata. Stylish flowing lines and familiar Lamborghini design cues are shown despite heavy camouflage covering that intended to deceive and confuse spy photographers and rival car manufacturers. Informative spy videos provide us a sneak peek of its overall design features and exclusive design elements. This new baby Lambo replacement delivers a clear, concise, and unmistakably Lamborghini design lines. Lamborghini promises to deliver a cutting-edge technology and performance that will cement the brand's heritage of supercar power and prestige. As you can see, the Lamborghini Huracan Successor displays two hexagonal lights just under the headlights. It features a bold but familiar Lamborghini's hexagonal shape design with dual or triple purpose. Daytime running light, direction indicator, and possibly corner illumination during a turn. These LED elements are cleverly set below the ultra-thin headlights. The spy videos suggest that these hexagonal lights will distinguish between the Huracan replacement and the flagship Revuelto. Leave a comment below what you think of the name Temerario. It's brief, but the new video gives us an up-close look at the vehicle, and, more importantly, we get to hear the hybrid engine in action. Integrating a new hybrid system into a Huracan Successor poses challenges related to the weight and balance of the car. To address this, the Successor model is designed with a potential rear-wheel drive configuration. This strategic choice is aimed at ensuring that the car maintains the agility that Lamborghini super sports cars are famous for while adjusting to the demands of hybrid technology. The side profile is a very familiar Lamborghini shape and looks like an evolution of the Huracan rather than a radical redesign. That being said, the rear end appears more sculpted than before, seemingly avoiding the angular lines of the Huracan. We fully expect the baby brother to inherit some of the Revuelto's striking design cues. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. Analyzing the spy videos, it's hard to see the interior design of the Huracan Successor, but it might be similar to the Revuelto's interior center touchscreen. Lamborghini might also include an informative, narrow passenger side display. The rear of the Huracan replacement draws heavy inspiration from the Revuelto, despite being covered with ample amounts of camouflage. Slim tail lights and top exit exhaust pipes housed in one hexagonal exhaust shroud are similar to the Revuelto design. Meanwhile, the camouflage front-end clever headlight stickers tries to take us back to the Lamborghini Gallardo, the Huracan's predecessor. But a close inspection shows the actual slim headlights are more modern and closer to the bumper. Other obvious touches include a double bubble roof and larger intakes behind the doors that channel much-needed air to the mid-mounted engine. It is also evident the required increase in the amount of cooling to satisfy the new engine demands. Air intakes can be found on the sides of the car just before the rear wheels. Additionally, a pair of intakes is shown on the border of the B-pillars. Design elements inspired by the Revuelto are also visible on the exterior. The car has a double bubble roof, side vents with aerodynamic strakes, and an exposed engine bay. The composite structure helps offset some of the hybrid system weight gain inherent in such a complex powertrain, and it's probable the Huracan Successor benefits from the current design features and components of its big brother, the Revuelto. Let's talk about one of the bold features of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Successor. It is the innovative hexagonal LED daylight running lights that sit beneath the super-thin headlights, which gives the car its special look. What is your opinion of the Temerario's design and silhouette? Comment below. Rendering pictures done by CarWow show the expected finished Temerario. In the past, CarWow provided rendering pictures of the Revuelto before its reveal, which proven to be pretty accurate illustration of the car. The Lamborghini Temerario is the highly anticipated successor of the Lamborghini Huracan. The Temerario will be unveiled in August 2024 at the Pebble Beach Concours, California, and expected to be a 2025 model year. It will be faster and more powerful than the Huracan. The Italian word Temerario means fearless, reckless, or daredevil, which hints to its expected amazing supercar performance that surpasses its predecessor. Lamborghini announced that the Huracan Successor will be the first Lamborghini with a drift mode, not done like other manufacturers because it will use the torque vectoring of the front electric motors. The Temerario is a driver's car, being powerful, playful, compact, and very agile. An aggressive diffuser completes the rear fascia. The spy shots revealed that some diffuser strakes begin in front of the rear wheels, hinting that Lamborghini has put significant thought into the aerodynamics of the new model. The Temerario's plug-in hybrid system is expected to increase the vehicle weight compared to the Huracan, but the new car should feel quicker and faster thanks to the new aluminum spaceframe and extensive use of carbon fiber. Lamborghini has registered the Temerario name in various jurisdictions, with trademark applications submitted to the European Union Intellectual Property Office for the name and name badge showing bullhorns on either side. Usually, Lamborghini car models have been named after historic Spanish fighting bulls. Subscribe for the August unveiling.